For me, hair oiling is so much more than just hair care. It's a ritual that connects back to my Indian roots. As I get older, I find myself looking for more ways to connect to my culture, which is also part of why I was so drawn to yoga and meditation. I've started incorporating hair oiling into my regular meditation practice. I love using the Fable and Mane SahaScalp Amla Soothing Serum before I wash my hair. The Amla is vitamin C rich and it helps alleviate dryness and itchiness for my scalp. It smells so good that I actually find it so pleasant to sit with as I meditate. I love to massage my scalp before sitting for a few minutes with my hands in prana mudra by joining my littlest two fingers with my thumb and extending my index and middle fingers. This mudra brings out our inner vitality and harmonizes us with the energy that surrounds us. It symbolizes life force and growth. I take a few breath cycles with long, indulgent exhales to help calm my nervous system. Hope you can find a ritual like this too.